Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I did a long video. I've been recently doing some short videos, but now I'm back and I'm going to show you how to make pineapple shrimp. So as usual, all my ingredients will be listed down in the description. Here I have some Old Bay seasoning, some paprika, some garlic powder, some jerk seasoning, some oregano, and some onion powder. So there you go. Let's rub that up. So now I'm just going to let this sit for a while. So over here we're just going to preheat our oil, and I'm just using about a tablespoon out. And then we're going to pop in our shrimp. I'm not going to let them fry long because shrimp don't take long to cook, and if you let them stay in the pot too long they're going to get tough. So just going roughly give it around 3 minutes or less. And I found these two little shrimp tails. Did I almost say fish tails? I found these two little shrimp tails in there. So now we'll snug. So as you see, some of them have started to look cooked. So we're just going to flip over the ones that look like they are already cooking. So now it's time to remove them from the stove. So now I'm just going to go in with all my seasonings. I have to give that a little mix. So I'm also going to add a little bit of Old Bay seasoning to these. So there's a nice little stir. and subscribe, and don't forget to also to turn on that post notification so you know when I drop a new video, which is every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.